the name of the winner. We are very eager to hear the name.
I hope I can pronounce it properly. The best feature film award goes to Gabgwai Chek. Producer is Bodo.
So we'd like to request the producer of Gabgwai Chek to come over stage and receive the check, dummy check. He will be honored with an alumni, a trophy and a certificate, a dummy check of 1 lakh rupees! Dummy check of 1 lakh rupees, oh my God. Let's give a big hand to the producer of the winning film. And we wish him the best of luck so that he gives us more such films in future. Give a big round of applause once again. A momento, please pause for the picture. The dummy check, it's 1 lakh rupees only. The best film of the year 2024. Thank you very much, man. Thank you very much. And I think we'd also love to hear from the producer, is it? Yes, Bodo? Dia bantah mana hanane beri mendem sefer mereka masan saya.
Mabunggan, raw geja dan rajaफोर बेबायदि actually आङो थार खोथाखौ बुंगोन बेबायदि फागिरि एवार्डखौ मोदोमा मावफुंबाय थादों माने थार खोथाखौ बुंनो थाङोब्ला जोङो मुभिखौ एक्चुअली बेबायदि एफा गिदिर एवार्ड मोनगोन होननानै बानायाखैमोन आङो जोबोद आगोलनिफ्रायनो जेब्ला स्कुल फरायबाय थानाय समावनो बलिउडनि माखासे आर्टिस्टफोरखौ बा एक्टरफोरखौ नुनानै आंबो एसे गोसो गुदुं जाबाय थायोमोन उन्दैनिफ्रायनो जोबोद उन्दै बैसोनिफ्रायनो आरोखि सानसे समाव आंबो बेबायदिनो मोनसे बा एक्टिं खालामगोन प्रडिउस खालामगोन बेखौ आं सानाखैमोन एक्टिं खालामगोन आं बेखौ सानबाय थादोंमोन उन्दैनिफ्रायनो आरो नोंथांमोना हयथ' मिनिनो हागौ आङो माने जेब्ला मिनिथावनायानो खोथाया बारा गोबाव खालामला खिन्थु सैथो खोथा बुंगोन आङो माबा मोनसे मुभि बा सिनफोर सानोबा टयलेटआव थानाय समावबो आङो बायदिसिना खोथाखौ सानबाय थायोमोन आरोखि सिनेमानि खोथाखौ मिनिथावना जानो हागौ नोंथांमोननि थाखाय खिन्थु जा सैथो बेखौ बुंदों जोबोद गोजोननाय मोनदों जायखिजाया नैबे एवार्डखौ मोननानै जोंहा संगिना बिथाङाबो आंखौ जोबोद हेल्प होदों आंल' नङा गासै जोंनि जायफ्रानोखि जोंनि सावथुनाव खामानि मावदों बिथांमोनाबो जोबोद आंखौ हेल्प होदों जोबोद साबायखर बिथांमोननिसिम लोगोसे थैंक इउ बिसा थैंक इउ जुरि मेम्बार्स थैंक इउ
Thank you, Bodo, for your wonderful words. Upcoming next, we have the Bodo Award for Best Director. So may we have the nominees, please.
Bodo Award for Best Director.
रुंसारि बड'सा बिथांनि जोनोमा आथिखालनि क'क्राझार जिल्लानि सिङाव थानाय हाब्रुबारि गामियाव इं 1959 मायथाइनि 20 सेप्तेम्बराव जादोंमोन बिथाङा सासे राफोद सावथुन दिथागिरिमोन लोगोसे बिथाङा गोबां सावथुनफोराव फावबो खालामदोंमोन बिथाङा जोंनि बर' हारिमुनि थाखाय गोबां सावथुनफोर सोरजिनानै गालांबाय बिथाङा थांनाय इं 2002 मायथाइनि 22 आगस्ट खालाराव रुंसारि जालांदों बिथांनि जिउमाया सोरगोआव आलो गोजोनै थाहैथों गसाइनि खाथियाव आरज गाबबोबाय
The nominees are
आं सानो मालतीया yang बायदि रोजा रोजा आइजोफोर दं जायफोरनि रावा नाख्रेबजानानै दं समाजाव आइजोफोरा हौवाफोरजों समान मोनथाय गैयैखायनो बे हालोद
गामिनि सुबुंफोरनि जेंनाखौ नों मानो गावनि मोदोमाव बुब्लिना लाबाय थायो
माखौ नायनानै नों बेखौ बेसिम लाबोखो आरो बेखि जोंनि खामानिखौ मावनो हागोन बेफोरबायदि खामानिखौ मावनो थाखाय टेलेन्टनि गोनांथि दं
टेलेन्टखौ बारहोनायाव टेलेन्टनि सायाव जा दङ जानि सायाव जा दङ बेफोर गासिबो दंजोबो बेनाव माथो मोनसेल' बुस्थु गैया मेडाम माने नोंथांनाव संख्रि जानो फैदों मेडाम
And to do the honors, we'd like to invite on stage Dipen Bodo sir, the president of EPSU, to come on stage. I would like to request the members of this sir to kindly accompany sir to the stage. Let's give a big round of applause for Dipen Bodo sir. I'd also like to request the members of this sir to kindly felicitate sir with an alumni and a memento. Let's give a big hand to Dipen Bodo sir. And we are eagerly waiting to know the name the winner
Good evening, Mumbai. The Best Director Award goes to Rajani Busumutari for feature film Borai Fakri. Best of luck, Rajani Busumutari. Thank you, Disa.
So we'd like to have on stage Ma'am Rajni Busumutari, the winner of the Best Director for the film Borai Fakri. And we'd also love to know the amount. Is it 1 lakh? Is it 50,000? Not much, but it's 1 lakh rupees. So let's give a big hand to Rajni ma'am and also for 1 lakh rupees. Arona is the Bodo traditional scarf. The certificate of appreciation. And we are eagerly waiting to hear from the best director. The mic is yours, ma'am.
Good evening, everyone. Khulumbai. Gasainaba be stage nifrai onnai ara signai ko horbai. I'm extremely delighted to receive this award in front of you all, dignitaries and friends, and especially my girl crush, Mrs. Padmini Kolhapuri. I've been a big fan of yours. Thank you so much for coming here and being amongst us this evening. I thank my producer, Jani Viswanath, for your immense support. Without you, this film wouldn't have happened and this award wouldn't have come to my hands. And thank you, my other half.
The nominees for Shruti Brahma Award for Best Actor Female.
रुंसारि श्रुति ब्रह्म बिथांजोनि जोनोमा आथिखालनि क'क्राझार जिल्लानि सिङाव थानाय बागानसालि गामियाव इं 1967 मायथाइनि 16 मे खालारखालि जादोंमोन। बिथांजोआ बर'नि गिबिसिन आबुं सावथुन आलायारनाव हायनारि फावखौ खालामदोंमोन। बिनि अनगायैबो आब' आरो बै समनि गुबुन गुबुन सावथुनफोरावबो फाव खालामदोंमोन। बिथांजोआ थांनाय इं 2024 मायथाइनि 27 फेब्रुवारि खालाराव रुंसारि जादोंमोन।
The nominees are
सोरखौ नुदों बिदि मोदोमाव सावगारि आखिलाबायनो? सावगारि नङालै आयै, टेटु बुङो बेखौ, टेटु। जाबाय दे जाबाय, बांद्राय गोरों दिन्थिनो नाङा नों। मानोथो बेफोरखौ आखिलाबायामोन? आइ, जोंनि मेथाइनि ओंथियानो बिदिखामोन।
And to do the honors, we would like to invite on stage Jani Biswanath, producer and founder of Healing Lives. I would like to request the members of BISA to kindly accompany ma'am to the stage. I'd also like to invite Guru Pavitra, the General Secretary of BISA, to come on stage and felicitate ma'am with an arona and a memento. Let's give a big hand for Jani Biswanath ma'am. So the members of BISA kindly help assist in felicitating ma'am with an arona and a memento. Let's give a big hand for Jani Biswanath ma'am, the producer and founder of Healing Lives. And we are eagerly waiting to know the name of the winner. Tick tick egg, tick tick dough. Are we waiting?
Khulumbai, Anni Unjalu Bodo Lugufer, is that right? The Best Actor Female award goes to. Any guesses? Sangeena Brahma for Congratulations to the entire team and Sangeena.
So we would like to have Sangeena Brahma on stage. Let's give a big hand for Sangeena Brahma. The winner will receive a prize money of how much can you expect? Yeah, let's give a big hand for Sangeena Brahma. She's having new hair now. Round of applause for her hair, beautiful hair that was cut out in the cinema. 1 lakh rupees, winner of 1 lakh rupees. The dummy check. Shruti Brahma Award for Best Actor Female. And for your kind information, she won the Best Actress Award many times before as well. So we'd like to hear from Sangeena Brahma. Maybe in 1 minute?
Sangeena was also in our film, and it's the first time I'm getting to meet her in person. Congratulations, my dear.
Thank you so much, ma'am. And it's really very honored to get this present from you, ma'am. Thank you so much. गिबियावनो बयनिसिमबो गोजोन मोनाबिलि आरो मा होननांगौ आं बिराद माने दिनै गावनि माने गोसोखौनो हमथानो हायासै आङो जोबोद खुसि जादों माने बे आंनि फार्स्ट प्रेजेन्ट दिनै आं 2004 निफ्रायनो गाबोबाय आरो आं मुभिखौ 2005 निफ्राय स्टार्ट खालामदोंमोन नाथाय दिनै बे प्रेजेन्टखौ मोननानै बे एवार्डखौ मोननानै जोबोद गोजोननाय मोनदों थैंक यू सो मच जुरी मेम्बार्स एन्ड बिसानिसिम आरो जोंनि सावथुन गाब गैयै जायख्लंनि टीमनिसिमबो जोबोद जोबोद साबायखर जोंखौ बेबायदि माने मा होनो बेखौ सापर्ट होनायनि थाखाय एन्ड थैंक यू ऑडियंस थैंक यू सो मच
Next, we have Dilip Busumutari Award for the Best Actor Male. Can we have the nominees on the screen?
Dilip Busumutari Award for Best Actor Male. रुंसारि दिलीप बसुमतारी बिथांनि जोनोमा आथिखालनि उदालगुरि जिल्लानि सिङाव थानाय नाग्रासारा गामियाव 1975 इं मायथाइनि 6 अक्ट'बराव जादोंमोन बिथाङा सासे गोदान मुगानि राफोद फावखुंगुरमोन बिथाङा अन्नायनि दौलें सिमां खुगा गेवा आरो गोबां सावथुनाव फाव खालामदोंमोन लोगोसेनो बिथाङा गोबांथार मिउजिक भिडिअफोरावबो फाव खालामदोंमोन बिथाङा थांनाय 2015 इं मायथाइनि 9 सेप्टेम्बराव अबथिरायै बे बुहुमनिफ्राय जोंखौ नागारनानै थाङो
The nominees are
साना सोनाबानि बे ओंखारथों दाउब'आ सोमनांथों नाथाय जों हारिखौ सिबिनो माब्लाबाबो बावनो मोननाय नङा माब्लाबाबो बर' बिमानि मेगनाव मोदैखौ होनो मोननाय नङा जय बर' हारिनि जय बर' हारिनि जय बर' बिमानि
जेब्ला जिनाहारि खालामदोंमोन अब्ला आंनि बिनानावखौ निमाहा होदोंमोन नोंसोरनि थाखायनो दानि लाइमोनफोरा जिउ गोमानायनि लामायाव नाथाय बेबादि खामानिखौ माबोरै मावनो हायो आरो बेबादि बेसादखौ बहा मोनो
To do the honor of giving away the Dilip Busumutari Award, we would like to invite Sir Rosen Narzari, film director, on the stage. I'd also like to invite Mr. Deepak Instri, Assistant General Secretary, to kindly felicitate Sir Rosen Narzari with the Bodo traditional scarf, aronai, and memento.
Khulumbai. The best actor award goes to Linchar Busumutari for feature film Musa.
Let's give a big hand for Linchar Busumutari, winner for the Best Actor Award, male. Winner of 1 lakh rupees. May we have on stage Linchar Busumutari. In case of absence of Linchar Busumutari, Is he here? Yeah, okay, representative from the production house. Ling Sarvasmatari is absent today, so in place of Ling Sarvasmatari, we have another member from the same production unit. Please smile for the picture. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much. And now we have another.
रुंसारि कैलासनि सरगियारि बिथांनि जोनोमा आथिखालनि बिश्वनाथ जिल्लानि सिङाव थानाय सिजौमा गामियाव इं 1983 मायथाइनि 1 जानुवारि खालारखालि जादोंमोन। बिथाङा सासे गोख्रों हारिमु सिबिसुला फावखुंगुर आरो सोरखारि फरायसालिनि सासे फोरोंगिरिमोन। बिथाङा सिमांनि हौवा गोदान, थांखि गैयि समाज बायदि सावथुनफोराव फाव खालामदोंमोन। बिथाङा थांनाय इं 2024 मायथाइनि 29 फेब्रुआरि खालाराव रुंसारि जालाङो। बिथांनि जिउमाया सोरगोआव आलो गोजोननि जायगा मोनहैथों बेखौनो गसाइनि सेराव आरज गाबहरनाय जाबाय।
The nominees are
Bodo नांगौ आरो बेनि थाखाय जोंनि जिउ होगोन जों थै होगोन थेवबो जों बड'लेण्ड सोरजिगोन जय बर' हारिनि जय जय बर' हारिनि जय
To invite Shri Dawesa Bodo, the Honorable E.M. Betia. I would also like to request Shri Modaram Busamatari, Advisor, BISA, the jury member, to kindly felicitate the Honorable E.M. Shri Dawesa Bodo with the Bodo Aronai and a memento.
Good evening. The best action director award goes to Kendi Musumatari for feature film Jang Pri Thaini Thisam. Thank you.
Kenny Busumutari. So we would like to have on stage the winner. Kenny Busumutari. Kenny Busumutari, yes. I think it's Kenny Deori Busumutari. Okay, so can we have Kenny Deori Busumutari on stage? So in his absence, we would like to request other members of the same production to come and receive the prize. It's a prize money of 50,000 rupees. So he will be felicitated with a trophy. And the Aruna is actually for Kenny Basmatari. So that is reserved for him. So let's give a big round of applause for the team. The winner of 50,000 rupees. And it's an inspiration actually to continue to do more to give better productions in future. Thank you very much.
Vikas Bosumotari Award for Best Supporting Actor Male.
나은라네 제부자네 노아 능자나미시
रुंसारि बिकास बसुमतारी बिथाङा सासे फावखुंगुर आरो सावथुन दिहुनगिरिनि अनगायैबो सासे समाज सिबियारिमोन बिथांनि जोनोमा आथिखालनि क'क्राझार जिल्लानि सिङाव थानाय फाथारबारि गामियाव इं 1969 मायथाइनि 6 सेप्तेम्बराव जादोंमोन बिथाङा मिरु बिसागिबो सासे बारग' आफादगिरि आरो बोसोनगिरिमोन बिथाङा थांनाय इं 2023 मायथाइनि 2 जुन खालाराव रुंसारि जादोंमोन बिथांनि जिउमाया सोरगोआव आलो गोजोनै थाहैथों गसाइनि खाथियाव आरज गाबहरबाय
The nominees are
लोगोफोर आंनि मुङा बोदो ब्रह्म डन बस्क स्कुल पास आउट बेयाव थानाय सोरबा सोरबाथ' आंखौ सिनायखायो जेरै मेट्रिक सोमखोर दिनै कलेजनि फार्स्ट डे जों बे कलेजाव फैगौ 3 बोसोरखौ ज' फरायगोन सानफ्रामबो लोगो मोनगोन सुखु दुखु रायलायगोन
फैसालि नों बेयाव बहा थाङामोन बे साननैसोआव जोंनावबो फैयाखै बाजाराव मैगंबो फाननो फैयाखै न'आव माबाफोर जादों नामा फैसालि फैसालि रुपसालि फैसालि 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 नों मानो आंखौ एसेबां एरायरा खालामबाय थादों थारैनो मा जादों
आंनि बुंनाय रावफोरा बेफोरखौ फोरमायनाय जाला बेवहाय रावबो आखाइ दिखांनायनि खोथा सानाखै आफादाव जायफोर लबिया गिख'फोर दङ बिसोरो आफादखौ गारनानै ओंखारबायानो सोरबाया राजखान्थि लिडार सोरबाया थिखादार सोरबाया जुगार मुंदार जाहैबाय आंनि सोंनाया बेसो दा जों मा खालामनांगौ
And to do the honors, we would like to request Nilo Kantagoyari sir, General Secretary of Bodo Sahitya Sabha, to come on stage. Okay, so at the same time, we'd like to request Chinian Bosmotari ma'am to kindly do the honors. Senior Basmotari sir will be felicitated by Dipen Boro sir, Secretary of HISA, with an aromai and a memento. We are eagerly waiting to know the name of the winner.
Good evening to all. The Best Male Supporting Actor Award goes to Lingsar Bosumotari. Thank you. For feature film Sankritandi Thisam. Thank you.
Let's give a big hand to the winner, Lingsar Basmotari, for Zankritani Thesam. And I think he's absent, so I'd like to request the members of the same unit to kindly receive the prize. And the nominees are
Purnima Sorgiari Award for Best Singer Female. रुंसारि पुर्णिमा सरगियारि बिथांजोनि जोनोमा आथिखालनि बाक्सा जिल्लानि सिङाव थानाय दलाजानि गामियाव 1970 इं मायथाइयाव जादोंमोन बिथांजोआ सासे रेडिअ' आर्टिस्टमोन हिमालय हाजो आफांनि बोरसि दैमा सेरफांनि मेथाइया दिनैसिमबो मुंदांखा आरो रेडिअ'नि गेजेरजों दासिमबो फोसावजाबाय थायो। बिथांजोआ थुंग्रि, गुमुर, अन्नायनि रादाय बायदि अडिअ' केसेट आरो सावथुनावबो मेथाइ रोजाबदोंमोन। बिथांजोआ थांनाय 2006 मायथाइयाव अबथिरायै बे बुहुमनिफ्राय जोंखौ नागारनानै थाङो। The nominees are
And to give award the award, I would like to request Shri Bizit Gara Basumutari, General Secretary, Dularai Bodo Harimu Apar, to please kindly come on the stage. I would also like to request Shri Nogen Bromo, Vice President BISA, to kindly felicitate Shri Bizit Gara Basumutari. Sir will be felicitated with the Bodo traditional Arunai and a memento. At the same time, I would also like to hand over the mic to kindly declare the result for the Purnima Sorgeri Award.
Kolumbai, Lizan Manabili. The Best Female Singer Award goes to Purnima Busumutari. For feature film, San Bolauri. Congratulations.
Bhuvneshwar Mohilari Award for Best Singer Man.
रुंसारि भुबनेश्वर महिलारि बिथांनि जोनोमा आथिखालनि बाक्सा जिल्लानि सिङाव थानाय रुपुहि हालामनि खान्थालगुरि गामियाव इं 1963 मायथाइनि 1 जानुवारियाव जादोंमोन। बिथाङा 1985 मायथाइयाव अल इन्डिया रेडिअ' गुवाहाटीनिफ्राय सासे रेडिअ' आर्टिस्ट महरै गनायथि मोनो। थुंग्रि, अन्नायनि रादाय बायदि अडिअ' केसेटफोराव बिथांनि रोजाबनाय मेथाइफोरा मुंख'जाथाव। दालायाव बानानै बायदि मैया दाउ गाबो मेथाइया दासिमबो अल इन्डिया रेडिअ'नि गेजेरजों फोसावजाबाय थायो। बिथाङा थांनाय इं 2021 मायथाइनि 10 नबेम्बर खालाराव रुंसारि जालाङो। बिथांनि जिउमाया सिग्र आलो गोजोनै थाहैथों गसाइनि खाथियाव आरज गाबहरबाय।
The nominees are
And to do this honor, we would like to invite a renowned Assamese film director, Mr. Maharishi Tuhin Kashyap sir. Can we have you, sir, on the stage, please?
Kashyap sir will be felicitated by Deepak Institute sir, the Assistant Cultural Secretary of BISA, with a traditional arona and a memento. We would now like to request sir to kindly declare the name of the winner.
Firstly, it's such a privilege to be here. Thank you so much. I love the energy here. Thank you, Bisa, for inviting me to do this. I'm really, really glad for this. So now the award goes to the Best Male Singer Award. Any guesses?
No idea.
Any
sir.
guesses?
No idea, sir.
Michael Musahari. Congratulations.
Michael, yeah, let's give a big hand for Michael Musahari for the film San Bolauri. So let's request Michael Musahari to please come on stage and receive the prize. Michael Musahari, I think he's here. So since Michael Musahari is absent, we would like to request one of the representatives from the production unit to kindly receive the prize. The certificates, folded out online, and the memento. The dummy check of 50,000 rupees. I think the check is in the, just the opposite. Okay. Smile for the camera. Let's give a big hand once again for Michael Musahari, the representative of Michael Musahari.